The 2020 Mazda 6 key fob uses a CR2032 battery that typically lasts 1 to 2 years depending on usage. First, locate the small button or seam on the side of the key fob. Slide or gently pry the cover open, avoiding excessive force to prevent damage. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032, ensuring the positive plus side faces up. Snap the cover back into place and test the key fob by pressing the buttons. This straightforward DIY task saves money and is easy to do at home. Always handle the key fob with care to avoid damaging the internal components. Rough handling can crack the case or dislodge connections. Wear anti-static gloves or ground yourself to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can harm the circuit board. ESD can fry electronics, so touch a grounded metal object first. If the fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, there might be a deeper issue like a faulty circuit board requiring professional repair. Don't force it. The 2020 Mazda 6 uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. While rechargeable key fobs are emerging, this model relies on replaceable batteries with a typical lifespan of 1 to 2 years. Check online tutorials for visual guidance on the replacement process. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly at recycling centers.